How to insert column in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet. Next is just go to that sheet that you want to insert a column to. So for example, I want to insert a column between column 2 and column 3. So you just need to hover mouse over column 2 or 3 and then right click. And then let's say I'm at column 2. So I want the column that I want to insert to be between them. So I'm going to insert column right. Click on this one. And then just name your column. So let's say I'm going to name this test 5 and then click on OK. Oh yeah, you can just select your column type here as well. So let's say I'm going to select date. Okay. And then click on OK. And there you go. Now if you want to select a column here, the last column here, the left side, you can just hover mouse over column 4 or just click on column 4, right click, and then just insert column right again. Then type in the name again and then just select column type. Okay, and there you go. Now we have another one. Now if you want to add a column to the left, you can do that as well. Right click again, insert column left, then enter the name. Okay, a column type, select one and then click on OK, and there you go. Okay, it's that simple. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.